In this video, we're going to be talking about how to distribute your music on DistroKid across the different plans that are offered. Now, as you can see on the screen, there are the 3 plans, and we are going to start with the musician plan, as that is what I am subscribed to. So there are a few steps that you go through. Actually, they're pretty several, but there are 4 main things that you need to consider before you start uploading your music. The first thing is the cover art. So with the cover art, you'll see that you need to create a cover art that's approximately 3000 by 3000 pixels. Let's go to, it's right here. So you can see here the recommended images are 3000 by 3000 square JPG format. This is just a recommendation though. We accept most image sizes. So that's one of the things that they're telling you here. And then you can read through these different instructions that are offered in order to make sure that your cover art aligns with the policy that the platform has. So the second thing that you'll need is definitely the audio of the song. So the audio will have to be in one of these formats. The ones I usually use are WAV and MP3, but as you can see, there is M4A, FLAC, AIFF, and WMA. So make sure that your audio file falls within those formats. Personally, I would recommend WAV, but do what you like. The third thing that I would say for the musician subscription or the musician plan is you need to know your social medias, right? So they are going to ask you to put in your Facebook. As you can see here, artist already on Facebook. You come and paste your artist URL right here, and your Instagram, you can paste it right here. So it's not necessary for you to do it, but as an artist, it's important that you share this type of details as well, because it goes into the metadata of the song. And then the fourth thing for the musician plan is if you have a featured artist on the song, if you have a song that you have a feature on, then you would need to find out the real names of that feature. So as you can see here, they ask you to write down the real names of the songwriters. So you're not going to use the stage names. You're going to add the real names. So the first name, middle name, and last name. And then you'll also categorize them, whether they wrote just the lyrics, maybe they made the beat, which is now the music or the composition, or the music and lyrics. So you categorize and place their names in. The rest of the things that you need to fill in are pretty obvious. They're direct questions. I will definitely do a video for that. If you guys leave me at least 2 comments asking for a video, a full-length video about uploading music or distributing music through the DistroKid platform. Now let's go and take a look at the other 2 plans. Now a quick disclaimer, I do not have any of these plans active, the Musician Plus or Ultimate, so we are going to use the information that's offered to us here. So you can see with the Musician plan, we do not have a customizable release date, we do not have a customizable pre-order date, and then we do not have a customizable iTunes pricing. Now, the things that we've mentioned for the musician plan are going to apply across these 2. However, in addition, you should know when you want to release your song, so you should have a release date in mind. Then you should have a pre-order date in mind as well, and an iTunes pricing as well. So what price do you want to sell your song at? And that as well applies for the Ultimate plan. You'll see that it has the customizable release date, pre-order date, and iTunes pricing. And those are the necessary things that you need in order to distribute your music through DistroKid. All these other things, you can literally go through and select them. They are not that complicated. But again, leave me a minimum of 2 comments asking directly to be told how to drop music or upload music through DistroKid, and I'll create it. I might create it nevertheless, but it will definitely be fast-tracked by you guys' input.